Samsung is about to make waves again with its next flagship device, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and early leaks, rumors, and insider reports suggest that this phone could be one of the most significant upgrades in Samsung's history, potentially redefining what a flagship smartphone can truly offer in 2026. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far, and from design, display and build quality to camera capabilities, AI-driven features, performance, battery life, productivity tools, and more, to give you a complete look at what to expect, and why the S26 Ultra is generating so much hype among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Starting with the design, leaks and renders show that Samsung is moving towards more rounded edges on the S26 Ultra, softening the look compared to the sharper and more angular design of the S25 Ultra, which means it could feel more comfortable to hold while also giving it a sleeker, more modern aesthetic that could appeal to users who appreciate both style and ergonomics. In addition to these curvier edges, the S26 Ultra is expected to feature a raised camera bump of approximately 4.5 millimeters, which is slightly more pronounced than on previous models, but may help with improved camera cooling and stability when taking photos or videos on flat surfaces, though some users may need to get used to how it sits on a table. One of the most exciting features rumored for the S26 Ultra is Samsung's new privacy display, a technology designed to prevent shoulder surfing, or people trying to peek at your screen over your shoulder. This feature reportedly works by automatically dimming certain parts of the display depending on viewing angles, and users may be able to customize it depending on the apps they are using, their environment, or personal preference, making it ideal for working on sensitive documents, scrolling social media, or browsing private content in public spaces. While privacy features are becoming increasingly important for users, the S26 Ultra is also expected to continue Samsung's tradition of pushing display technology to its limits, featuring a dynamic AMOLED panel with rumored QHD+ resolution, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and improved brightness and color accuracy, ensuring the display is not only functional and secure, but also visually stunning, perfect for watching high-definition videos, gaming, or editing photos and videos directly on your phone. Moving to the camera system, which is always one of the highlights of Samsung's Ultra models, the S26 Ultra is rumored to retain much of the same hardware setup as the S25 Ultra, including a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP 5x telephoto zoom lens, with leaks suggesting the possibility of a fourth lens dedicated to 3x optical zoom, though this remains unconfirmed. While the hardware may not see radical changes, Samsung is expected to focus heavily on software and AI improvements, leveraging computational photography to improve image quality, reduce noise in low-light conditions, optimize dynamic range, and enhance video recording stability, meaning the S26 Ultra could offer some of the best smartphone photography and videography available, without necessarily changing the core camera hardware. AI-powered features could include scene recognition, automatic low-light optimization, and even real-time video enhancements that adjust color, exposure, and focus on the fly, making it easier than ever to capture professional-looking content without editing. For content creators, the S26 Ultra could be a game-changer, offering improved stabilization, advanced slow-motion video capture, cinematic recording modes, and AI-assisted editing tools built directly into the phone, allowing users to produce high-quality content on the go without relying on third-party apps or computers. Performance is another area where Samsung is expected to make significant improvements. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which promises faster CPU and GPU performance, better efficiency, and improved thermal management compared to previous generations. Coupled with 12 to 16 GB of RAM, this phone should handle anything from intensive mobile gaming and multitasking to augmented reality apps and 8K video editing. On the software side, the S26 Ultra will likely ship with Android 16 combined with One UI 8.5, which is expected to bring a host of AI-driven productivity and convenience features, including Meeting Assist, which can automatically transcribe and summarize your meetings or calls, Touch Assist, which predicts gestures for quicker navigation, Smart Clipboard, which provides AI-powered suggestions when pasting content, and Social Composer, a tool that helps users draft social media content more efficiently with AI guidance. Together, these features show that Samsung is aiming not just for raw power, but for intelligent performance, where the phone anticipates your needs and makes daily tasks easier and faster. Another highlight of the S26 Ultra is the S Pen, which has become a signature feature of Samsung's Ultra series. Rumors suggest that the S Pen could receive a curvier design to match the phone's rounded corners, offering a more comfortable grip and a smoother writing experience. In addition to traditional note-taking, the S Pen is expected to support advanced features such as air gestures, AI-assisted handwriting recognition, and deeper integration with productivity and creative apps, making it an ideal tool for professionals, students, and artists who rely on their phone for both work and creativity. Battery life and charging are always critical concerns for flagship smartphones, and the S26 Ultra is expected to retain a 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide a full day of heavy usage. Charging speeds could be upgraded to 45W or even 60W wired charging, and wireless charging will likely max out at 25W, ensuring that even short charging sessions provide substantial battery replenishment. Samsung may also improve power management software, optimizing background app usage, AI tasks, and screen performance to extend battery life further, especially for users who rely on high refresh rate displays or intensive gaming. As for release details, leaks suggest that pre-orders for the S26 Ultra could start in December 2025, with a full launch in early 2026, making it one of the most anticipated phones of the year. Pricing details are not yet confirmed, but it is expected that the starting price will be similar to the S25 Ultra, with higher tier configurations costing more due to increased storage, RAM, or special finishes. In summary, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to refine nearly every aspect of Samsung's flagship formula, offering sleeker design, smarter AI features, a privacy-focused and stunning display, powerful camera capabilities, and productivity enhancements through the S Pen and One UI 8.5. If the leaks hold true, this could be one of the most complete and versatile smartphones on the market, suitable for content creators, business users, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who wants the best that modern smartphones can offer. With so many rumors and potential upgrades, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be not just an incremental update, but a flagship that sets new standards in design, performance, and user experience. What do you think? Are you excited to get your hands on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or do you feel it might be too similar to previous models? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this in-depth breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest leaks, rumors, and exclusive coverage of the S26 Ultra and other upcoming tech releases. Samsung is clearly aiming high with this device, and based on what we've seen so far, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could easily become one of the defining smartphones of 2026, offering a complete package that combines power, style, intelligence, and versatility in one sleek, modern, and highly anticipated device. So, are you ready for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to change the game? Or do you think it's just another incremental upgrade? Share your thoughts below, hit that like button if you're excited, and don't forget to subscribe, because we'll be bringing you every leak, rumor, and update on this groundbreaking device as soon as it drops.